Hey, what's up, guys? Here I have a Stihl oil pan for a K-Series engine from K-Tuned. As you guys may know or might not know, when you have a K-swap on an older Civic chassis, like an EG for example, the oil pan tends to sit more lower. So when you get like an RSX, they usually come with aluminum oil pans. So when you hit something like like those freaking little humps over the road, or you just go over a speed bump or something, you have a possibility of cracking your oil pan. And when you crack your oil pan, that aluminum one, you have a possibility of taking off part of your block. So this is a preventative measure into saving your block. Okay, this is a K-tuned unit. It comes with a magnetic oil drain plug, black finish, very good Stihl, with the K-tuned logo at the end for your drain plug. Very nice. I believe this product cost me $140. Comes with all your bolts as well. You always have to make sure you get these bolts, because these bolts, they're specific to your oil pan or to the block. I remember I read online with the forum, like if you get a oil pan, like a Stihl one off a K24, and you put it on your block, make sure you use those bolts from the K24 and not from the K20, because these ones are more longer. It's just standard packaging, paper and plastic wrap. No special instructions, you gotta always use Honda Bond, because that's the best one you can get for bonding purposes. And yeah, that's about it. So be aware, if you have a K-swap, get a Stihl oil pan, and be safe out there, guys. Talk to you later.